Our top story tonight, questionable DWI charges headed to court.
Just 2 months ago, we exposed the story of a local student fighting to clear her name after she was charged with a DWI despite not drinking.
And now others have come forward as well with their own kinds of horror stories. And because of that, a judge is allowing the student's lawsuit against Bexar County and that deputy involved to go ahead and move forward.
News 4 San Antonio's Melissa Vega joins us now with what's happening next. Melissa?
Well, 5 other people are witnesses in the lawsuit. They say they were also arrested for DWI by Bexar County Sheriff's deputies. According to court documents, when their blood test came back, no alcohol was detected. She doesn't want to be identified, but does want to share her story. In December of 2014, the woman we called Sarah was pulled over by a Bexar County Sheriff's deputy as she drove home on Bandera Road.
Said, have you been drinking tonight? Asked me a bunch of questions, and I said, no, of course not. You know, I would never drink and drive.
Sarah says she begged the deputy to give her a breathalyzer or a blood test, but says the deputy told her she didn't have to because she was under 21. After bonding out of jail, Sarah went to a private lab to get a drug and alcohol test, which showed nothing in her system. Her attorney, Dan Packard, discovered others with similar allegations.
Against Bexar County itself, we had 5 other incidents. It was really quite remarkable to hear their stories.
Including a doctor. Packard says he was charged with DWI. Months later, his blood test showed no alcohol detected. Even though the case was dismissed, the deputy got credit for the arrest. As for the doctor,
is unable to get his medical license in another state because the state medical board thinks he's got a substance abuse problem. Meantime, he was completely clean.
The arrest stemmed from a federal program, the Selective Traffic Enforcement Program, or STEP. Packard says the problem is the program offers financial incentives to the county, so it doesn't matter if a DWI arrest gets thrown out as long as it's made.
I feel that it is morally and legally wrong to have a financial incentive for officers to make alcohol-related arrests.
By moving forward with a lawsuit, Packard says he hopes the county sees there is concern and change is needed. The Bexar County Criminal District Attorney's Office sent us a statement saying because there is pending litigation, we reserve comment at this time. We will be glad to speak with you about this at a later time. Melissa Vega, News 4, San Antonio.